So yeah, so I get this notification on Facebook. You know how Facebook will remind you of your memories that you've had? Got this yesterday, and it was when when Annie and I were here at this place. I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, it went away. But anyway, we were at this very exact spot, and we were shooting what I believe was like the first episode of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. And while we were here, we showed like underneath this pier dock thing, walkway, whatever you want to call it, this thing right there. And we showed some of the art that was underneath here. And you know, it's changed over time. People have added to it. Sorry, I sneezed. But yeah, people's added to the art, and yeah, so check out how it's changed over time. I like some of the sayings. That one says, "The earth without art is just ugh." What is that under there? Look with your third eye. So yeah, we're back out here again celebrating the anniversary, I guess, of a couple years or more, probably more. That's probably, it could have been a memory that I had already shared and shared it again. I don't have to look. But yeah, so we're back out here celebrating the anniversary of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. And yeah, you can help. Let me tell you how. You can help by voting for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. In the last episode, I visited a beautiful place called Jensen Beach Park. I spotlighted 3 shots and you voted. And I'd like to thank everyone that voted. We got a lot of votes and a lot of comments on this video, and I really appreciate that. Jens Life voted for shot number 1. Luzvia voted for shot number 2, said the boat seemed like it was slicing the clear blue ocean. Jeanette's Life voted for shot number 3, the clouds, it gives me a peaceful scene. And a lot of you thought the same thing because shot 3 won. Thank you for everyone that voted. So yeah, so here's how it works. I'm gonna spotlight 3 drone shots. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. And we do this just for fun. For one, I like flying the drone. For 2, it's fun to get out here and do something. And what a beautiful island. I love this place. So yeah, I'm gonna set up and let's fly this drone. Yeah, all right, so that was the 3 shots. I hope you found one that you like. If you did, please vote for that shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the little tour of the 2-year anniversary. I'm calling it the 2-year anniversary. I don't know for sure if it is. It may have been longer than that. But of the anniversary of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. I can't believe I've been doing this that long. And I think this is a great place. Definitely a great place for this episode. So anyway, just vote for your favorite shot in the comments. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Scott, and this is my journey, and I'm going to enjoy this beach some more. So, later.